Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I wanted to show you how you are going to submit your first DBQ essay. So when you get to the iLearn course, make sure that you are viewing the Unit 1B block, Creating New Governments and a New Constitution. And if you just scroll all the way to the bottom of that, you're going to see all of our DBQ documentation down here, including the actual primary sources and the rubric. The last thing that you're going to see is the actual workshop, and that's what you want to click on in order to submit your essay. So when you get to this phase, you're going to notice that currently we're in the submission phase of this workshop. It was opened up on November 26th, this past Monday, and as you are aware, it's going to be available until midnight Monday, so 11:59 Sunday night. All you're going to need to do is click on this button right here. It says Start Preparing Your Submission, and you're going to want to give it a title, and just something very simple is just fine. Doesn't have to have your name on it or anything. All that information is going to be there. Right here is where you're going to actually copy and paste your DBQ from your Google Doc. I have one student prepared submission that I'm going to copy in here. This is from a student in one of the past couple of years. I don't remember which one. Just paste that document in. You're going to see all paragraphs are going to be there. And then click Save Changes. And you can see at this point that it's submitted. I've got the screen controlled a little bit here, so you can't see my full screen. And then you're all set. When you come back to take a look at it, you're going to see that there's a little green check mark here, indicating that you have submitted your work, and you're set. As long as you do that before midnight on Monday, you're all set. Again, you have more reinforcement down here where it says your submission. You can see your essay. That's the title that you gave it. And if you need to edit that for any reason between now and Monday, you can go ahead and do that. But hopefully you've submitted your final copy, and that's all we'll need. When we come in on Monday, we're going to move over to the assessment phase, and I'll be able to show you what that's like in class. All right, thanks.